What's good, YouTube? It's your boy here at First Timer Auto coming at you with another video. Just wanted to thank my boy Ryan for trusting me to work on his Civic. He brought this thing over. There was an exhaust leak. So what we've done so far is we've actually removed the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter. Took that down to a radiator spot and had them shave that down. That actually saved us quite a bit of money. We even bargained with them a little bit and brought that down from $75 to $50. When we first got some quotes to get this done, we were getting quotes in the thousands. So I want to thank my friend Ryan for giving us a shot to try to work on this. Again, so far we've removed the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter, took that down to a radiator shop, had them shave that down, and we are going to try and replace that, and hopefully that's going to fix the exhaust leak. But that's where we're at right now, and we will document this journey as we work on this Civic. We're about to replace the exhaust manifold catalytic converter. This is what was shaved or resurfaced from the radiator shop. We've got the seal put back in here. We're going to go ahead and slide this down. You do need to worry about these connections, so just be careful when you're putting this back in. There's going to be 5 different bolts here that are going to go. They're all 12 millimeters. So we'll go ahead and start putting that back on, and we will start another video right when we get finished with that. Alright, so now we've got this quasi back in place. We put these bolts on just to hold that there. We're going to go under the car and actually connect these so that the catalytic converter is secure and in place.
So we're under the car. I'm not sure how well you can see this, but these 2 bolts right here are going to connect to this exhaust pipe, and you just want to make sure that you tighten those up. Again, that's 12 millimeter.
Okay, now we've got the header, the exhaust manifold back attached. Before you actually connect these wires here, just make sure you put the heat shield back on, and this is going to actually just go straight through. So just go ahead and put that there, and then you can put these bolts back in, and then just go ahead and connect your wire connections. And once you get the heat shield back on, you can go ahead and connect these wires. Make sure that you put the wires back into the little metal connection pieces there, and that's pretty much it. Go ahead and put the battery back on, lower the car, and fingers crossed, hopefully we have fixed our exhaust leak in this 2001 Honda Civic. And hopefully it'll pass admissions. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. Thanks again to the O Group. We'll leave a link below. Go ahead and reach out to them for your free cloud digital upgrades. And until we bring out a new video, keep turning those wrenches. Thanks, guys.